What's up? What's up? Zia Mail, we're back, baby. We're on another project here. For this project, we'll be doing a house soft wash. We'll be doing a driveway cleaning, house soft wash. We'll be getting out this pine here that's marked with that ribbon there. No way to throw it, guys, because you got the house facing here, and then it's kind of hung up in this pine here. So I'll just climb up as high as I can and just throw the top back out the way somewhere. But yeah, so beautiful house here. This gutter trim here has a lot of organic growth. We'll be getting that off. I don't know how good the camera's picking it up, but we'll be getting that off there. This house has never been washed before, and you can tell, beautiful home though, but with all the trees covering it, you know, it's just not getting enough sunlight. So we do have some areas where the organic growth is just really thick. One of the areas are here in the back on this porch here. So as you can see, this stuff is really thick. Yeah, but no biggie, we got a solution for it. So we'll be doing this patio here for them as well. As you can see there you go, that's a better shot of it on how thick that stuff is. But you'll be amazed what that house soft wash ratio will do if you just let it dwell long enough. You'll be very amazed. We'll also be taking this tree up here just a little bit. I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 5 limbs we'll be taking off this tree here. We'll be limbing up this one, that one, and this cedar fell here some time ago. We'll be cutting it up and getting it as well. So all this stuff, as you can see, we're with the pressure washing trailer. So all this stuff we'll just be taking to the road and pre-stage it. So when we get finished with the house soft wash and the driveway cleaning, that we'll just come back with the dump trailer, pick this stuff up, guys, and we're out of here. So, you know, the best thing is that you can do is just try to be as efficient as possible. And when you do that, it all works out in favor. But yeah, so first we're gonna get the tree removal part of things done. So we're gonna go ahead and work on that pine there, and the rest is history. Come back to you in a minute. Peace. Give me the tip of the orange rope. All right, where you at? Tuck that rope back in that bag. Like I taught you, one hand at a time. All right, pull it off there. Big Z gonna get most of that brush out, making those stock piles right there. I'm gonna get the pressure washing machine set up. It would have been ideal if I could wash from the road while Z worked the driveway. I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get on the road, let Z work the driveway. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Or we'll figure it out. Just sprayed this side with a house mix ratio, and I hope this GoPro is doing its justice. But do y'all see how thick that grime is around that lip of that gutter? I hope you guys can catch that. So it's dwelling now, the house mix ratio, and we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of moderate pressure on it and see if we force that stuff off. But so we just hit our chemical remote control injector to spray water. So we still have some soap in the line. So the soap that we have in the line, we're gonna go ahead and just go down this little stretch of gutters and hit it one more time. All right, so we should be by that water right now. And wish I can prop y'all up somewhere. Let's see if this will work. Zia mail, baby. Got another one in the bag. We're gonna call this one a combo. Came in, did pressure washing, and came in, did tree removal. Got Big Z on the job. Was a big help today. He loved helping out his old man. Hey, we're gonna do a little walk around, guys. Let's just see how this thing turned out. This driveway turned out magnificent, man. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Not a line in it, and it's still not even dry yet. But if you can remember what it looked like before, man, wow. I mean, this thing turned out real good. Sidewalk took out good. Once again, that was this combo property, man. Pressure washing and tree removal. These two exterior services go very well together, man. Here's the pine we took out here. The pine wasn't dead. But yeah, if you remember, guys, these gutters had that real bad hook on that trim there. And we got all that off for them, man. Ooh, look at that sidewalk. Still drying right there. Still drying right there. Man, look how that brick turned out. Still wet right there. But all in all, man, turned out very, very well. And that's why you gotta take your time on these jobs, man. We had another job booked today. I already called him, gave him a call. He said that was fine. We're gonna go back and get him tomorrow. You know, you can't rush through these jobs, guys. And guess what? Giving them an estimate before we leave. So that's why you have to take your time, pay attention to details, man. If you remember, we had a lot of organic staining back here. Gutter trim turned out well. The railing on this thing looked brand new, man, compared to what it looked like before. There's a lot of organic growth right here on the back of this brick patio. We got all that off. This landing here turned out very well. And got the back patio porch for them. Gutters look very good. And we also cut, what is it? Yeah, here it is. We cut this one out here too for them. Got it as low as we could. They didn't want to get it stump grind. But yeah, guys, turned out good, man. Got another one in the bag. See, a lot of times what I would do is if I get these combo deals, I would just plan the pressure washing side of it one day and then just plan the tree removal side another day. But today it worked out very well for us. So we went ahead and did the 2-for-1. We got the pressure washing done, driveway clean, came back, loaded up all the wood. And as you can see, we got the tractor sitting on top of the load, guys. Ain't that something? Hey, 4-wheel drive, that's what it's meant for, right? But we're definitely not overloaded. Very far from that. But we're gonna throw some scraps on it. We'll get finished getting this area here cleaned up. Like I say, guys, turned out good. We got another one in the bag. You got ZML, you got Big Z, specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing and tree removal. Until next time, peace.